The distance between plates of a parallel plate capacitor is 5D. Let the positively charged plate is at x equal to 0 and negatively charged plate is at x equal to 5D. Two slabs, one of the conductor and other of the dielectric equal thickness D are inserted between the plates are shown in the figure. Potential versus distance graph will look like. Now this is highly important question and conceptual also. First of all, we have the situation like this. We have a capacitor like this and there are two circumstances. In one circumstances we have inserted a conductor. So one thing you are very clear, when there is a conductor, we know that all charges in a conductor, for example this is a conductor, then all charges on a conductor will be on surface, right? So inside the conductor there will be no charge. So if there is no charge, we can clearly say that electric field will be 0 inside the conductor, correct? So if electric field inside the conductor is 0, that means we have one thing, minus dV by dr. This is the relation between electric field and potential. So if this is 0, then we can say dV is going to be 0, which shows that potential is constant. So inside the conductor, potential has to be constant, right? Now this is the part where air exists, and at 3D to 4D we actually introduced a dielectric slab of K, thickness is D, and then again we have air. So like that capacitor is being developed. So now suppose for air, E is equal to minus dV by dr, then dV minus dV will be E into dr, integration of both sides. So I can clearly say that potential drop delta V is going to be minus E into dr. Okay, so minus E into dr, and limits of dr will be 0 to d. So you can clearly say E into d. So delta V is equal to minus E into d. That means that potential is actually dropping. So initially, suppose at this plate potential will be maximum, let's say some value. From there it will actually drop. So clearly you can see that V is proportional to D, right? And because slope is negative, so it will drop like this only. Now there is a conductor. So for second case there is a conductor. For D to 2D there will be conductor part. So electric field will be 0 inside that conductor as I proved. So potential drop will be constant. So for this region potential drop will be constant. So this is D, this is 2D. Now coming to 3D part, so this is again air. So again air comes into the picture. So it will start dropping again simultaneously. Now coming to a portion where capacitor is, where dielectric constant K is there. Now for this dielectric constant K, what will happen? We know that E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. This is for air. But for dielectric constant, E will be sigma upon epsilon naught into K. That means this will be E air divided by K. So basically the value of E is less. So as I can see from the above thing, delta V this time will be E K into D, which will give us E air divided by K into D. So the slope value is reduced. So that means slope is reduced. So it will be having slope like this. And then again you are entering into the region from D to 4D to 5D, right? This was for 3D to 4D. So for that region 4D to 5D, you will be actually again start dropping like this. So this is the region of 3D, this is the point of 4D, and then this is 5D. And this will be the value of potential, and this will be the D or X. So this kind of graph will be the right answer. So see which graph. So first graph cannot be the answer, second is the answer, okay, third is not possible, and fourth is obviously not possible because it is something like this, so it cannot give such type of relation. So only answer is possible 2. So very important question.